Hello students, today we will discuss how to save the Excel file. When you click on file and you're having a save as and save buttons, by clicking on only save, it will save your data. When you click on save as, it will save your file on the particular location. In this text box, you can rename your project, and this is a drop down to change the extension of your file. If you want to read and edit your data in the Excel file, then there are two options for these extensions, and these are .xlsx file and .xls file. In the two ways, you can save your XLS file for any editing or reading. Now we see what is the difference between .xlx and what is the difference between XLS. These two extensions can be opened in the Excel software. Now, the differences of versions. The .xls files can only open in 97 to 2003 and with the earlier and with the latest versions of Excel. But .xlsx files, I'm selecting from the drop down this extension. These files cannot be opened by the earlier versions of your Excel. So it is the difference to save the files in two different formats. Secondly, we are having the PDF extension. Let us see how to save your file in the PDF extension. The PDF file extension format is developed by Adobe Systems, enables people to open and print documents without access to the original programs with which the documents were created. Here is the extension .pdf. To save your workbook as a PDF, we have just selected the PDF option from the drop-down list of extensions, and you just press on save. After this, your project or your file will be saved in the particular location. In this, it is getting saved in the folder of documents. Here, you can also browse and change your folder name. This is how you change your folder name. You just press save button and it will be saved to the particular location. So it was all about saving files in the form of XLS, .xlsx and .pdf. Thank you.